Yo, what up, guys? Just decided to just before I'm going in now to see the World Cup. Okay, so I just wanted to make this quick video about. It's a little bit more about motivation. Okay, so first of all, if you are new to my channel, my name is Alexandra. I make full-time income dropshipping on eBay UK. So consider subscribing to my channel if you're interested in this information. Also, guys, I made a Facebook group that I will put the link below, okay, in the description, and also my Instagram and my Facebook. So go ahead and follow me on social media. I will really appreciate that. So what I wanted to quickly shoot a video about, so I just was at the liquor store buying some beers before the game, the finals of the World Cup. So I saw my friend that is doing something there, like he is working. Okay, he is now working and can't see the World Cup. And like I told him, like, man, it is the World Cup. You don't work in the World Cup. You need to see it. So he told me, and he knows what I do. He know that I'm dropshipping on eBay UK, and the thing is that he told me not everybody lives good like you. But the thing is that, like, I'm not special. I'm not smart, super smart, or like this something that no one can do. Okay, I just made a decision and made a decision that I want something different in my life and take over the control of those things. Okay, so those little things that you have control of, I'm super thankful, and I'm saying thank you every day that I discovered this method, this business model on dropshipping on eBay UK. But like, everyone almost know what I'm doing. Also my friends, my closest, also my like my previous work colleagues, they know what I do. Okay, and they see that I'm like waking up when I want, and I do exactly what I want. But and also, this is a funny question, because most of the people ask me, do you not afraid of competition, that you are showing what you are doing? No, because most of the people know what I do, and they still don't take any action. So there will be always like people that will look and not do anything. Okay, but you need to understand that the decision and your freedom and what you want, it is in your hands. Okay, those are that watching and saying, oh, I can do it, or that maybe they are just lazy. This is their own problem, so don't complain about it. Okay, don't say that, oh, you have this perfect life, because I just took the decision. And I always think, always in my mind, always I think that if someone did that, I can do it. Okay, if someone in the world figured out a way dropshipping on eBay and make full-time income doing that, I can also do it. Like, I just need to learn the skills and get the experience that this person has. Okay, so you just need to take action. You need to decide what you want, how you want your life will look, and do something about it. Okay, don't just complain and whine and look other people that are living better than you, or in a place that you want to be. Okay, no one is like super smart, or no one is like perfect. Everyone started the same way. Okay, also I started the same way, with zero knowledge. I took courses. Okay, I took all the information that I need, and still till today I watch always, like, all my YouTube is only about dropshipping. So yeah, so guys, take that in mind. This is your 100% in your hands, and this is your life. Take action. So if you don't take action, just don't complain. This is your life, and this is what will be if you don't take any necessary action. Okay, so again, if you are interested about dropshipping videos and more of that great stuff, please subscribe to my channel. And also, if you want to see more videos like that, please leave your comments below. And if you like that video, please give this video a thumbs up. I will really appreciate it. And don't forget to join to my Facebook group. It is a free Facebook group. You just need to quickly answer 2 questions, and that's it. And I will approve your invitation on how it goes. Okay, thank you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.